Every day, businesses generate large amounts of data. But where do they store it all? Many organizations store and export data as files, such as flat files. In this video, you'll learn how to set up and export a flat file data source. Your manager at AdventureWorks, Adi O'Quinn, asked you to build a Power BI report using a flat file that the Human Resources team has prepared. The file contains some of AdventureWorks' employee data, such as employee names, hire dates, positions, and managers, as well as data located in several other data sources. So, what is a flat file? A flat file is a file type that contains a single data table with a uniform structure for every row of data and does not have hierarchies. Some examples of flat files include comma-separated value, or CSV files, delimited text, or TXT files, and fixed width files. Additionally, output files from various applications, such as Microsoft Excel workbooks, can also be classified as flat files. Now that you know what a flat file is, let me demonstrate how to set up a flat data source. Let's help AdventureWorks HR department set up a flat data source. The first step is to determine which file location you need to use to export the data. The file location is important because when it is changed, Power BI will not be able to refresh the data. This can cause errors, such as file not found or data source not found. Once you have located your file, you can proceed in Power BI. To display available data sources, in the Home group of the Power BI desktop ribbon, select the Get Data button option or down arrow to open the Common Data Sources list. If the data source you want isn't listed under Common Data Sources, select More to open the Get Data dialog box. In this example, you need an Excel data source, which is first on the list. Next, a connection window displays where you select the employee Excel workbook that the HR team prepared and select Open. When your HR file is connected to Power BI desktop, the Navigator window opens. This window displays the tables available in your data source, the Excel file in this example. You can select a table to preview its contents and to ensure that the correct data is loaded into the model. After selecting the checkbox of the table that you want to bring into Power BI, it activates the Load button. Now you can select the Load button to import your data into the Power BI dataset. In case you need to change the location of your source file for a data source during development, or if your file storage location changes, you'll need to update your connection strings in Power BI to keep your reports up to date. To do this, in Power BI Desktop, select File in the menu bar, then select Options and Settings from the File menu, and now select Data Source Settings from the Options and Settings menu. You can also change or clear the permissions by selecting Edit or Clear Permissions respectively. Permissions cover the privacy level and credentials used for connecting to a data source. Remember that any structural changes to the file can break the reporting model, so it's important to reconnect to the same file with the same file structure. By following these steps, you'll be able to ensure that your report uses the most accurate and up-to-date information available. You've now helped AdventureWorks HR department to store their data, and you should now know how to set up and export a flat file data source. Great work!